So welcome here guys on my channel, and today I'm going to talk about one of the most promising decentralized trading exchange in the DeFi sector, and the name of that project is Polynomial Trade. So welcome guys to my channel, it's Crypto Enthusiast, and today, as I already mentioned, we are talking about Polynomial Trade. So, just for the beginning, let's start what actually that project is. Polynomial Trade is a decentralized derivative trading exchange which is powered by Synetics protocol on Optimism. The exchange allows trading up to 25x with a faster and smoother UI and lower fees than other derivative exchanges. So actually, if you have, for example, $100, you can use leverage up to 25 and trade with a balance of $2,500, which actually brings more risks, but at the same time you can make way more money with that stuff. Also, polynomial trade is made for you to manage your risks, and it protects you from high volatility and changes of the price, so that as already said, it balances your risks. Also, Polynomial is already built several products which make DeFi more accessible for everyday users, and I think this is really important stuff. Also, the team believes that trading derivatives should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience or their level. With this in mind, we have designed Polynomial Trade with an ultra-clean UI that prioritizes user experience, making trading simple and intuitive for users of all levels. Also, we've also ensured that our fees are significantly reduced compared to other perps exchanges. Actually, now I want to explain what this team is saying. The first thing they've said it is they want to make the trading accessible to everyone, and I think that stuff is actually really important, just because sometimes people just give up learning trading just because they think that it looks quite hard. There are a lot of buttons, unknown things, just different patterns and so on, and they just give up. Polynomial trade makes you to feel more comfortable, just thanks to the really clean interface without any additional useless buttons, or just if you want to learn trading deeper, of course you will use different patterns, tools and so on, but Polynomial is made for if you're a beginner, and it's really convenient to start learning trading from that point. About fees, I think you won't agree, you won't argue with the fact that the commissions in Ethereum blockchain is sometimes are extremely high. And as you know, the layer 2 blockchains are working on lowering such fees and making bigger TPS. Polynomial trade is built on Optimism blockchain, which makes fees way faster, as Optimism is layer 2 on Ethereum, and as already know, Optimism has way less fees than just traditional Ethereum blockchain. Also, Polynomial trade offers a wide range of digital assets, including popular cryptocurrencies, allowing users to trade up to 25x leverage. And we also provide advanced orders such as limit orders to give traders greater flexibility and control over their trades. What does it mean? It means also the same what the limit order means. We should understand it. The limit order is the thing that if you want to buy at the price, for example, the Bitcoin is currently trading at 27,000, and you want to buy it once it reaches 26,000. You just put a limit order on that price, and once the price is going to that point, your order will be fulfilled, and you will receive your Bitcoin on your balance. Also, let's talk about smart wallets that traders can access a wide range of trading opportunities and assets with just one wallet, rather than having to switch between multiple platforms, wallets to access different markets. This convenience saves time and streamlines the trading process. And I can but agree with that, just because it is really inconvenient sometimes to use different wallets, use different chains. For example, some stuff is working awesome on Solana, some other things are working great on Ethereum, and so on, some stuff on Polygon, etc. And Polynomial is made for you to feel comfortable. And actually, I think this is the main point of the project, to popularize the trading for everyone. Just because a lot of people think that it's quite hard, and Polynomial is aimed to prove that it is not that hard as it seems. So actually, you don't need to use any other wallets. All you need is that just one wallet that will where you will process all of your transactions. So I think that's it. If you are interested in learning more about that promising project, I really will be glad that you check the bio and visit their website. Actually, all of the useful links and tutorials will be down below. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask them, and have a good day.